Okay, on the back of your paper, write your name, first and last, room number, and grade level. Flip it to the front. We are going to draw vertically, so you want the short side of the paper to face your body. And then you may use the handouts that I've given you for Gothic and Romanesque architecture. You are going to work on that on your paper. So we're first going to fold the paper, again vertically. So fold the long side facing the long side. Make sure it's lined up before you crease your paper. Open that up. So I am working on a smaller paper than you will be, just because it fits better in the video. But next you're gonna take your lid that you've been working on, you're gonna center it, not right in the middle of that, but center it in the fold, maybe up a little from the center and then trace it. I'm gonna use a smaller circle because I'm on a smaller piece of paper, but just trying to center the circle on the fold. This is where you're gonna want your rose window to go in your picture. And then you can start using these examples to help you draw your cathedral in the Romanesque or Gothic style. You can use a ruler, but you do not have to. I'm going to be using one for parts of this. We are trying to make this symmetrical, so you want the same on both sides of the fold so that it matches. And then I'm gonna work on doing some arches. Again, this does not require a ruler, but I'm just going to go ahead and put those arches in. Now that's a little uneven, but you can just erase and fix, or you can even try to trace it through to the other side. So I'm gonna keep working on this. So I've added some more details. I ended up just starting to just draw on one side, that way I can then transfer it over to the other. So deciding what you want that to look like. So if this is half of my cathedral, you can kind of see that it's getting pretty filled up. I might want to add a little bit more, and then I'll transfer it to this side. Okay, so now I have transferred that to the other side, and now I'm ready to Sharpie. So just come check it with me. If you're ready, we will Sharpie with a mat under the paper. You can use both Sharpies depending on the space that you have. Preferably the fine point, which is the thick one, that shows up better. But if you have something tiny, you can also use this ultra fine.